All right, worksheet number 1. Let's do number 1 together. Find two numbers whose sum is 10, for which the sum of the squares is a minimum. Find two numbers. So we can call those x and y, whose sum is 10. So what's that mean? X plus y equals 10. And for which the sum of the squares is a minimum. So x squared plus y squared is, we need just a name for that so we can take a derivative. Let's just call it s. The sum is x squared plus y squared. So s is what I want to take the derivative of, although I got two variables in there, so I need to use the, x plus y equals 10. I need to use the helper equation so that I only get one variable. That's not really going to matter which one we call x or y, since everything's all added together. So let's just say y equals 10 minus x. Well, here we are again with our, do you want to pay the price in algebra world, or do you want to pay the price in calculus world? I'll let you make the pick this time because I think you'll pick the one that I would pick. Algebra. I think algebra is easier on this one. Surely we can square that without too much difficulty. So x squared plus 100 minus 20x plus x squared. So it's always your choice. You can pay the price in algebra land or you can pay it in calculus land. Sometimes one's easier than the other. So 2x squared minus 20x plus 100. I have not done any calculus yet. Right? All of that has been algebra set up. Now if I want to minimize this, I need to take a derivative. So 4x minus 20. Yeah, 4x minus 20, because the 100 goes away when we take its derivative. If we set that equal to 0, we get x equals 5. But we need to check to make sure that that is indeed a minimum. So the second derivative, this is why we like doing derivatives of polynomials, because they get easier and easier as we go, is 4. I don't care that it's 4, I care that it's positive, concave up. So yes, x equals 5 is the minimum, or makes a minimum. And now let's make sure we answer the right question. Find two numbers. So x equals 5 is one of the numbers. Y equals 5 is the other number. Number 2 is pretty similar. Why don't you try number 2?
Thank you. All right, Kingwood, make sure that you're turning in your money for the class challenge, and also